Before we get started next week, talking about specifying, sales, estimation, and installation of pattern carpet, I want to talk to you about how a really big pattern job was almost lost by one installer, but was saved by another. I was contacted by Tom Durkin, who owned Durkin Carpet. Tom had sold the carpet to a specifier, an architect, for a large casino. He received a complaint immediately after the installation, and then he called me. Jim, they're telling me that we're short on that job. I know we sent enough carpet to complete that job. Tom said to me, I want you to go down there and find out what's going on. When I walked into the main lobby, all I saw was a beautiful installation until I walked up to the doorways going into the retail shops. At that point, I knew what had happened, but I had to hear it from the installer. I was meeting with the architect and the designer, the hotel manager, and the installers. I asked the installers if they had ever worked or carpeted an area this large with patterned goods before this one. The installer said that he had worked with patterned carpets before, but never in this large of an area. I asked him, did you install the lobby first or all the rooms around it? Pointing at the casino manager, he said that they had to have the rooms done first before they could move in. The problem started when the casino manager demanded a change. However, the installer should have had the experience to know what was going to happen and explained that to the casino manager. I knew the answer was no, but I had to ask him if he had a way to fix this. He said no, it's glued direct. You'll have to have more carpet. I said, this isn't the manufacturer's problem. Can you pay for this? Then I said in front of the clients, I know you can do this. I saw your great installation in the lobby. The architect asked me, Mr. Walker, do you really have a solution? I said, yes, I do, but I have to get it approved by the carpet manufacturer. I called up the mill and told him, this is not your problem, but I have a solution. In order to make everybody happy and ensure future work with Harrahs casinos, I suggest that because this is a glue direct installation and we can't take the carpet up, that we remove 3 foot around the perimeter of the room and install a custom border. This removed the need to match the patterns at the doorway. The mill agreed that long-term satisfaction by Harrahs was the most important thing on this job, and to send in the additional carpet for the borders. I went back and discussed the solution with all parties involved. Everyone agreed, including the installer. The installer and I scheduled the time after the carpet came in to install this border work. It cost him 3 extra nights of work, but the problem was solved, and the casino felt like they got custom work for free. Problem solved. Tune in to my YouTube channel on Monday when we begin to talk in depth about everything involved in pattern installation.